Hello DIY Glamettes, welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY, and if you're new here, welcome. Now today's video will be a glam DIY table decor accessories. If that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned. But please don't forget, family, make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright, let's get to crafting. You guys, this step-by-step DIY tutorial is going to be for some pieces that I'm going to upcycle. I'm taking these two black vases. I'm also using my Total Dazzle brooches, my bead park crushed diamond epoxy sheet, my BB Crafts mirror mosaic tile, and I'm also using Miracle silver metallic spray to paint these pieces. I also did include in some white. We're going to paint these pieces, and once we paint these pieces, we're going to come back and get this step by step started. Alright you guys, I have my pieces painted, and I actually added in some white with these pieces as well, and we're going to be starting this DIY using this crushed diamond epoxy sheet that actually came from beadpark.com. Make sure you check out their link down in my description box, and if you go pick up you some pieces, I do have a discount code. But I'm going to dress up the lip portion of this vase with this crushed diamond epoxy sheets, and I'm going to dress up the sides. Guys, if you're using hot glue for this crushed diamond epoxy sheet, make sure you don't stretch it too much, and also be careful not to be burned by the glue as well. Thanks everyone for the prayers and the well wishes. I did get them, but truly I appreciate each and every one of you so very much. Thank you too, because stay informed, we did hit another milestone. You guys, I could not do this without you. I want to thank y'all so very much for continuing to watch my videos, support my channel, and not just the DIY channel, but the decor channel and the unboxing channel. I thank y'all so much for helping support your girl. To you guys, if you want to see all of these DIYs that I do create style, you must go over to my home decor channel, the Glam Queen of Decor. That link is in the description box. Now we're getting ready to add that mirror mosaic tile to the vase. And I'm going to add a strip down the center, but I'm not going to make it full because I'm going to add in my Total Dazzle brooch. These are some beautiful brooches from TotalDazzle.com. Please hit my description box to get my link to go over and buy you some very nice high-end pieces from Total Dazzle, and make sure you use that affiliate link. It doesn't cost you anything extra. I just make a few coins for you using my link, and I appreciate you for doing that. We're just finishing adding in that mirror mosaic tile, lining up that strip on this vase, and we're going to also add 2 more rows of this mirror mosaic tile to this table decor piece. This is what that piece is looking like thus far. Drop me a comment on if you got a special request for a particular type of DIY room decor, home decor, accessory essential, and I'll see if we can make it happen for you. If you're still watching and you haven't become a part of the Glam Queen of DIY family, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Please go to my page and check out all of my channels and my family channels, you guys. Be on the lookout. I got family members that is beginning to do their debut here on the platform, so please make sure you go to my page and check them out. Alright, you guys, that completes this silver glam table decor accessory pieces. I hope you enjoyed what I created. Please don't forget to check my links for my BB craft, my Total Dazzle, and my bead part. Discount codes in the description. Now also make sure if you're not a family member of the Glam Queen of DIY, you hit that subscribe button. My home decor channel, the Glam Queen of Decor, my unboxing and review channel, the Glam Queen Unboxing. And if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed And always stay positive.